Volcano Irazu, located in Costa Rica, is a prominent tourist destination known for its stunning landscape and unique natural beauty. Rising to an elevation of 3,432 meters, 11,260 feet, it is the highest active volcano in Costa Rica and has become a popular spot for travelers seeking adventure and breathtaking views. Tourists can now witness the towering peak of Volcano Irazu, which reaches an impressive height of over 11,000 feet, and admire its rugged terrain and lush vegetation from above. The drone footage provides a bird's-eye view of the volcanic crater with its mesmerizing turquoise-green lake, creating an awe-inspiring sight that leaves visitors in awe. Whether you are an avid nature lover or simply seeking a unique travel experience in Costa Rica, visiting Volcano Irazu should undoubtedly be on your itinerary.